Hey from Bugeye guys, this is a 59 Bugeye called Cole, a very special car that I've kept for about 12 years and I'm selling it. If you're watching this video, it may be sold by now. You can see it on our website though, and hopefully in this video I can communicate what made this car so special, whether you're interested in buying it or not. It's a great model of sort of the ultimate Bugeye because it looks so stock, but it has this 1380 engine and a single inch and 3/4 carburetor and a nice exhaust header, performance cam, oil cooler, fancy radiator that looks kind of stock. The whole car looks pretty stock. It's Old English white with red and it looks really cool. Let's go for a drive and see what you think. Just a quick safety notice. This is me approaching Route 80, which is a busy thoroughfare. It's a T intersection at this traffic light, and I'm about to get the green light and take off for some good fun. But before I do that, I really like to remind people, look left and right. They have a red light. They're supposed to stop. You see the red car on my left, but I'm going to check anyway. Everybody stopped here, right? Nobody's running the light, right? Okay, now I'm good. It's a great habit to get into. Don't assume that a red light means they're going to stop. It's just not the case in modern world. So off we go. 116 horsepower with this car. Let's see if that comes apart. Hopefully it won't come apart. That it will come across in these curves. And these are 175 tires, and there's a front sway bar, disc brakes in the front, of course. And a 5-speed Datsun transmission in this one. It's fully synchronized, really nice buttery smooth transmission. And there's something about the stock steering wheel and the stock colors, it just makes it that much more fun. And just fantastic handling through. Those are faster S-turns for, just more like 40 mile an hour fast turns and just fun sweepers. And that's the turn signal if you're unfamiliar, that center control switch. And nice flat cornering and a bunch of grip. So a great fun car. And what is it that makes this car so special? It has an air horn, and I was bringing it back to life. It's been sitting a little, so the air horn needed to be cycled a few times. It's a cute little air horn. But this car has a great exhaust note, super tight suspension. It's an excellent restoration. There are no rattles. There's a larger mirror on the dashboard, so I can see a little bit better. The 5-speed transmission is very smooth. And more power, 45 horsepower or so stock with a 948, 116 with this, and a lot of torque, like 108 foot-pounds of torque. And it's also a higher revving engine. The head's had some work done to it, better cam. So all of that makes this just a very nice performance car. I think that lots of people add those parts to a decent car, but when you add them to a good, tight car that's well restored, you end up with a package that, it's really easy for me to feel at one with this car, and that's why I kept it for 12 years, because it's so hard to recreate that. Most of these cars have been in accidents, and some are a little more bent than others, so some are tighter than others and truer than others. They're all great. The unibody construction is exceptional and it's very forgiving. But let's just see if you can see here like a 0 to 60 run in this Bugeye Cole, and maybe it will come across that it's a real quick car. And that's about 6,000 RPMs. And there's 60 miles an hour. And 5th gear for dropping the RPMs. It's about 2,800 at roughly 55 miles an hour there. It's a 2-lane road now. And kind of boring from this point onward on the driving, but I just wanted to thank you for coming for a drive with me today in this spectacular car. from Bugeye, guys. That's Cole, a Bugeye we have for sale at our website. And thank you for watching.